Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 16 Plus, and today I will show you how we can insert a SIM card into this phone. To get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device, though it won't look as flashy as this one. But if also you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, string on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Next, once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom or middle left side of the device, or closer to the bottom side of the phone. You want to push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray you only have space for a single SIM card, so place one on there, chip side upwards like so, and then carefully insert it back into your device. There's nothing holding this card in place, so it could fall out, so that's why I'm saying carefully. There is unfortunately no retention mechanism in here like some other devices would have, but paying premium, you don't get that, apparently. Anyway, once you pop in your card, if it has some kind of pin on it, you will need to confirm it. So first I need to actually unlock the device. There we go. And here it is, so enter your SIM pin. And that's it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.